Hello, I welcome everyone to the first video of 24th module on skills of school counselor evaluating skills. A school counselor's job involves many roles like counseling, pupil assessment, consultation, information officer, school program facilitator, research and evaluation. Among these roles, counseling students both individually as well as in group is one of the major functions of a counselor in this school. This involves assessing the student, designing program or intervention, implementing the program, and evaluation. Among these processes, evaluations are the real importance as they provide a quantitative data on how effective the program or the intervention is in helping the students. Data and statistics obtained through the evaluation throws light on the quantitative progress that the students are making. This progress can be in either improving or declining or stagnating in the areas of academic, behavior, and or social through their participation in the school program or intervention. Apart from quantitative data, evaluations help the school counselor to qualitatively understand from the students and the staff as to how a school program or an intervention is affecting each of them personally. Hence, understanding the concept of and being able to use evaluating skills is very important for the school counselors. The learning objectives of this video are: develop knowledge over the concept of evaluation skills, gaining understanding over the rationale behind evaluations. Evaluation refers to a systematic assessment in which information is collected and analyzed to determine the effectiveness of the programs and services. According to Lodge 2001, evaluations help practitioners maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of the service delivery through careful systematic examinations of the program components, methodologies, and outcomes. For a counselor to be an evaluator, he or she should be well versed in research methods. Evaluation particularly requires expertise in research question formulation, data collection, and suitable data analysis selection. Such expertise makes it possible for the counselor to read and understand literatures on the research findings, apply in helping the students, and also improve their skills by regular evaluation of counseling techniques. Also, evaluations help in understanding counselors' own effectiveness. Accordingly, the focus of the evaluations has to be on improving counseling services rather than justifying the program or intervention. Thereby, the counselors have to conduct regular evaluations of their programs to contribute better service delivery in the counseling profession. Rationale behind evaluations. There can be various reasons for the evaluations to be done, but the main intention behind an evaluation is not a mere academic exercise, rather to bring forth practical information. Counseling program evaluation should provide concrete information on the impact, efficacy, and effectiveness of the program. Information collected through evaluations will provide an insight into the extent to which the student has been helped. Moreover, evaluations provide selective information on student satisfaction, whether an approach has been effective or ineffective, and the level of effectiveness of each approach. Evaluations have both broader and contextual scopes. On broader level, it helps determining whether the service have effect on a larger social problems. In contextual level, it can provide data on the effective use of resources, personnel, and program while providing services. Feedbacks received through evaluations can help in planning and providing better program and services. Areas benefited through evaluation can be viewed as more than one. Primarily, they provide information about local needs. Secondly, it has significant implications for entire counseling profession. In other words, the counselor can use this data to do action research, that is applying various methodologies to evaluate the diversity of counseling programs to demonstrate the effectiveness of services, thereby enhancing their professional identity. Questions in the evaluations. Like any other evaluations, counseling evaluations are done to find answers to the question pertaining to effectiveness of the interventions and then services to meet specific goals. Questions can be related to the overall effectiveness, the impact of the interventions, and also more subtle concerns specific to the problems. Such questions can be categorized under 4 broad areas. First is outcomes and impacts. Second, intervention needs. Third, intervention context. And fourth, implementations. Such questions can be like, does the intervention address the exact problem? Does the student feel helped? What type of approaches and interventions are most helpful? To what level is the intervention addressing the problem? What are the short-term effects and the long-term effects of the concerned intervention? Are the counseling goals met, and to what level? Evaluations are generally based on specific questions related to the goals. They can guide the counselors in planning the interventions and the implementation. They also help in gathering related data. They can be designed to answer many questions simultaneously or questions related to specific outcome. Initial evaluation help in explaining or refining the consecutive problems and questions that can pave way to further evaluation. As the evaluations ultimately answer various questions, the counselors need to have a practical conceptual framework for the evaluation process. In this video, we have discussed about concept of evaluation skills and rationale behind why evaluation skills is needed and necessary in school counseling. In the next video, we will focus on the evaluation process. Thank you.